Hi, I'm Ken Oakes with Oakes Daylilies. I thought we might take you on a journey behind the scenes today to see how a daylily makes it from our place to yours, from when you place an order all the way through to when we ship it. All right, so orders come to us several different ways. These days, a lot of them come through the web. Of course, folks still come in and place orders, and we still get orders through the mail. And however they come in, typically Connie's going to be the person who's going to touch them first. So she's going to double check the web orders, make sure everything looks good, and the mail orders and the phone orders, you'll be entering those in. And so what Connie typically does is every day we look ahead to what we're going to dig maybe in a couple days ahead or the week ahead, and we start to plan out, okay, which orders can we dig this day? Because there's a limit to how much we can dig at one time. And so she'll plan it, all right, this batch of orders is going to go this day, and then she will process it and pull it all together. So that's what Connie's handling for us here in the office. In case you're curious as to how Connie decides which orders go when, several things come into play. If it's in the spring, obviously it depends on where the order's coming from, because we start shipping to the warmest zones in mid-February or so, and then work our way north as the season progresses. And so we'll just ship an order when it's the right time for it to go. Now then, when it warms up to a lot of places, we got a lot of orders to go at one time. Pretty much it's the first order in, first order out. And so typically in the busiest time, even maybe a week or maybe even 2 weeks from the time you place your order to the time we ship it. As you'll see, when we get to the digging your plants, we dig out all the plants by hand. They're not sitting on a shelf. So it just takes a lot of time. It takes time to get them dug. There's just only so many that we can do. But that's how we try and keep it fair about when your order goes out. All right, so once we've picked out the orders we're going to dig in a day, we'll sort them out by the variety, and so then they'll head up to the growing fields. Okay, this is where we are right now. This is about 20 minutes away from our office, so every day the crew drives up and they dig the plants that are going out the next day, and then they'll bring them back. And so just a little bit about daylilies, in case you're not real familiar with them. Daylilies are plants. Some people confuse them with true lilies, which are bulbs, but daylilies are plants, as you'll see after we dig this. So we're growing all our daylilies out in the field. Right, so this is a bed right here. This is the variety Gypsy Rose, which is the tags that I've got for this. And so what we do is we actually just dig it up. And so Juan, has been with me for a while. Come on over, Juan. He's going to dig up a couple of these Gypsy Roses, and I'll just show you what they look like, as they get dug.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Me.
Yep. It's been pretty wet here lately. There's a lot of mud on that one. I'll go ahead and tie this tag on that one while he's digging the other one. So see, everything we ship it's got at least 3 fans, which that's what you call one plant of a daylily. So see that one right there is a fan. So 1, 2, 3. This one's got 4, and so I'm just going to tie the tag on there, and then we'll. And let Juan trim the tops on this one. Alright, so I'll put the tag on this one. Alright, and then we'll put this in the back of their little RTV over there and haul it back to the shed, and then this will be processed and ready to ship tomorrow. Alright, so after we bring the daylilies back from the growing fields, the next step is we're going to wash them. I'm going to show off my fancy washing uniform here. Yes, this is a trash bag, a drumliner to be more exact. We tried different things over the years, rain jackets, and et cetera, et cetera. And you know what? This turned out to be the most comfortable option. So in any case, that's what we used to wash them. And so basically, you can see it's been pretty muddy. I brought back a few to wash today. The crew will bring back the rest of them here later on today. So I'm just going to wash this dirt off here and get them ready to ship to you. We just wanted to be nice and clean to send to you. I did want to mention we're shooting this video in mid-March. So that's why there's not a lot of tops on the leaves. They're just now coming out of their winter dormancy. Obviously later on in the year they'll have full foliage and we'll trim it back and you'll have longer leaves on there. But that's what they look like in mid-March. I'll hit those other two a lick here in a minute, but yeah, there you go. Looks a lot better. So after we wash the daylilies, the next step is to sort them out into the orders that belong there. If you've ever gotten a daylily order from us before, you'll notice that the tag will have a number on it. So this is your order number. So you know, we put a whole bunch of orders together to dig all at the same time, and then we sort them out here under our racks, drying racks. And so you know, we see we've got the metal racking here so that they can dry out, you know, a bit before we ship them. And you'll see, you know, if you get a bonus plant with your order, you'll have bonus plant on the tag, 72. So basically, we'll just go through after we lay these up, we'll check them all, make sure that what's supposed to be here is here, everything looks good to ship. All right, so after we've checked your order, make sure everything's there is supposed to be there. Next step is to pack it. This is Rosie. She does a lot of our packing. Chances are, if you've got an order from us, it may have been packed by Rosie. This is order she just packed, and basically we're just going to put it in a cardboard box to send to you. I'll show you something about this order in particular. This customer got 6 plants of buttered popcorn. So if you get 5 or more of one variety, it's going to show up in a bag like this with just one tag on it. But if you just order individual plants, each plant is going to have a tag on it like this. So if you get an order like that's just what to expect. So basically we're just going to put these in there like Rosie had already done. I'll just put them back in there. And we're going to add some, go ahead, add some Excelsior on top. All right, so this is a wooden product. So this is biodegradable. It's made from wood. So you can use it as mulch in your garden or whatever. We just put it in there a little bit, just to pack the order good. And then we'll have, some growing instructions. Your daylilies are here, what to do. And then we got your copy of the order, and then a little thank you note from Rosie. And then we're going to box that up and send it your way. All right, so after Rosie's packed it, it's going to come over here. Michelle's going to run it through the shipping computer. We're going to send it probably either FedEx or post office. That's what we typically ship. And so she's going to run this through and put a label on it. And then we'll have a cart here at post office, a cart there for FedEx. And we actually run the packages down to the post office because it's just a block down the road. And then the FedEx will come and pick up this afternoon, and they'll be on their way to your place. So that's how a daylily gets from us to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. We've been growing daylilies for, gosh, over 40 years, so we love to talk about daylilies. If you have any questions or comments, be sure you can post them below here on the video, or our contact information is on the website. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, we've got a lot of other videos on our channel. Be sure and check them out.